Hello and welcome back to Kids Editing. Today's video is going to be on shaken text effect. It's a very simple technique, doesn't take very long to do so. My name is Kids and let's get started, shall we? First, go to the titles, select the titles in the submenu and choose title type that you like. I like this one. I'll drag it to the timeline and I'll bring my video playhead on the title. Now double click on the text and start adjusting the title. Change the font size. I'm going to use a car drift video, so I'll write drift. I'll just change the shape and font from it. And when you're done, hit OK. Now take a screenshot of this title. I'm just gonna drag the title to the side because I don't need it anymore. Now bring in the video that you want to add the shaken text to. Now bring it to the timeline. Put the screenshot of the text above the video. Make sure to put it above, on the track above. You can adjust the text placement. Make sure to lock the main video because we don't want any changes to it. Now go to the effects and go to shake. There are a couple of shake effects to choose from. Play with them and test which one you like. Now choose your effect and drag it down and put it on the screenshot. Play and see if you're satisfied with the effect. Double click on the screenshot to go to the video effects. Now deselect RGB if you want a clearer shaky effect. You can adjust the intensity of shaking by changing the values here. Make some changes as per your liking. And hey, we're done. So easy, right? And it didn't even take long. Give it a like if you liked it and subscribe if you want to see more of these types of videos coming. Thank you for watching. Gets out.